Guangzhou, Boschutine Auto Parts Company Limited was established in 2018 with its high-end air suspension brand, Boschutine. It is mainly engaged in air suspension compressor, air spring, valve block, and other suspension system components. The products are suitable for Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Land Rover, Porsche, Audi, Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Tesla, Lexus, and other models. Boschutine brand products operate strictly according to ISO 9001:2015 and IATF 16949 Quality Management System standards, adopt German technology, and products reach OE quality. So we can provide 24 months warranty with more than 8,000 square meters finished products warehouse. Can delivery within 1 to 7 days with low MOQ. Excellent production equipment, strong technical force, advanced technology, perfect testing process, and a technical team composed of experienced engineers and professional technicians, relying on a solid theoretical foundation and rich practical experience. Cooperative Partner is committed to automotive air suspension system research, development, and production. Boschutine brand adheres to the business philosophy of good faith, customer first, and maintains continuous and rapid growth in both domestic and international markets with its high-quality and competitively priced products. At the same time, Boschutine brand firmly believes that success comes from continuous innovation and pursuit, and product quality has always led the industry forward. It has formulated a standard of German quality and is committed to influencing the world.